Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to apply a tourist visa to Panama. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a visa, always look at the consulate, embassy or any mission of that country that is covering the region or the area where you are living in, because based on your locality, based on your region, there could be some additional documents, additional steps. Another thing to verify if you really need a visa. So that's what we are going to check. So guys, in front of you I've opened Consulate of Panama in Toronto. So here they have the list countries that require an authorized visa, then those who need a stamped visa and those who do not need a visa. But at the top itself, they have said that Canadian passport holders do not require visa enabled and they can remain in Panama for a maximum of 180 days. Okay. Also, passport holders of any countries that have one of the following: PR card, multiple entry visa, study permit, or work permit from USA, Canada, Australia, UK, or any member countries of the European Union do not require a visa to enter Panama. So, if you fall in this exception, you don't need a visa to Panama. But if you don't, what you are going to do? You need to check which visa you need. So if you so first you will check authorized visa. Let's say you are from India. So if you select India, that India is in this list, so you need an authorized visa. If you're from these countries, you need a stamped visa. Okay. And if you're from these countries, you don't even need a visa. Okay. So you can say you can search where your country is. So let's say you're from India and you need an authorized visa. So what is the process? So again, always check this process as per the location where you are living, because fee, mode of payment, appointment, all things can vary based on the location. So you need a request. You need to do 40 days before traveling to Panama. You need to fill the form, valid passport, present bank financial statement at least 3 months. Later, affidavit of person who will sponsor represent you while in Panama. Okay. Copy of itinerary, just itinerary. They have recommended not to buy ticket unless getting the authorization. Two photographs. Copy of identity file from the country of birth, residence. Okay. A fee of $50 issued to Consulate General of Panama. Okay, what is the form? So it's very simple. And they have given in English also first name, middle name, last name, usual name, legal name, marital status, name of the spouse, even divorced one spouse nationality, passport number, issuing country, passport details, country of residence and address, telephone number, email, electronic mail stands for email, nationality, profession, workplace information, uh, declare if having relative or friends in Panama, if you have hotel address or wherever you're gonna stay, telephone number where you can be reached, planned date of arrival, remember that 40 days criteria, time plan to remain in Panama, okay, you must be exact, so be careful. Purpose, tourism they have, okay. Declare if you are thinking about any other non-resident visa permission when you are in Panama. If no, go to 24. If go to next point. Okay. So let's say no. How do you think to support yourself? Practice. So you need to provide the information. It's about your profession, retired or pension, investor, all such things. Yeah, I was asking about previous travel. If yes, year. If you have got a visa before, provide that information. If you have any other country visa, provide that information. Have you ever been denied visa, residence Panama, or it has been ever been revoked? Provide that information. Name, signature, and other details. Has anyone filled this for you? Provide that information. And they have also given the checklist. Two passport size photograph, passport copy, residence card, planned trip schedule, and you can go through it and this you can provide. And then at the end, name, signature. terms, conditions, everything. So that's how simple it is, guys. And fee we have already seen. You can connect with the embassy and you can get the things done. Okay. So again, always check as per your location. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.